My name's Bob Vitoux, and I came in from Northeast Indiana, from the Fort Wayne area.
Okay, and how do you even hear about it? Like, first time here today? So
First time attending the Family Office Club. We've been a member throughout this year and been taking advantage of some of the online activities, but thought I'd come out for the day.
Okay, so have you done any of the actual submitting your materials? Have you done any of that feedback series?
Yeah, we've been using the training materials more than anything.
Okay, like spread throughout your team, or just you yourself for like professional development, or?
Inside our team, we've been using the training materials, and we have a private equity business that at the holding corp we probably have about 30 folks, and just been passing those materials around as we're able.
Okay, I love that. And tell me this, from today, did you get to like meet someone you hadn't talked to before, a family office that maybe you'd even know existed, or what's sort of like a takeaway of like?
Yeah, so today's been a great opportunity to just hear what's hot and what's not, maybe, but also just hear how other people are seeing the market and what they're doing. Yeah, I think the due diligence topic was quite interesting. That can be a little boring probably for most, but it was insightful. We're really trying to find a cornerstone investment for our healthcare platform, and so it was good to hear some of the healthcare folks talk about the things that they look for, both on the front end as well as during their diligence.